Divine Women's Wisdom, the I Am series. I am vibrant. I am loving. I am generous. I am angelic. I am divine. I am healthy. I am rising vibrationally. I am gentle and calm. I am a healer. I am my healer. I am thankful for boundaries. I am capable. I am content. I am happy. I am joyful. I am playful. I am lovable. I am caring. I am capable. I am where I should be. I am worthy. I am majestic. I am graceful. I am confident. I am empowered. I am loving. I am gorgeous. I am an empress. I am beautiful. I am kind. I am loving. I am strong. I am light. I am letting go of fear. I am intelligent. I am a beautiful being. I am a divine being. I am an interesting person. I am clever. I think clearly. I am worthy. I am deserving. I am vibrant. I am bright. I am safe. I am free. I am receptive. I am fun. I am receiving. I am free. I am space. I am light. I am creative. I am joyful. I am receiving. I am exploring. I am learning. I am changing. I am rising. I am a dancer. I am connected. I am feminine. I am sacred. I am trust. I am discerning. I am passionate. I am observing and creative and free. That's right. I am nourished. I am delicious. I am unique. I am beyond all words. I am blossoming. I am shining bright. I am illuminated. I am letting go. I am renewing. I am free. I am. That's right. Breathe it in. I am choosing. That's right. Beautiful.